Did you know moving your front load washer without these can harm it? Well, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you the importance of shipping bolts and how to install them on your LG front load washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The shipping bolts are used to stabilize the tub of the washer during transportation. These bolts screw into the back of the washer to make sure that the tub of the washer does not move or bounce. If the shipping bolts are not installed, the tub of the washer can move around, potentially damaging the suspension components, tub bearings, and more. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power and water to the washer. When working inside the washer, be careful as it has sharp edges. For this repair, you'll need 4 shipping bolts. You'll need 2 of the shorter shipping bolts and 2 of the longer shipping bolts. Search with your washer's model number on partsdoctor.com to locate the correct shipping bolts for your washer. With access to the back of the washer, remove the 4 plastic retaining clips. Then, take one of the longer shipping bolts and align it to one of the bottom slots on the back of the washer and start to screw it into place. When doing so, make sure to start the bolt by hand to prevent cross-threading. Then, use a 12mm socket to fully tighten the bolt into place. Do not use a drill when tightening them, as you can crack the tub of the washer. If you're having problems aligning the bolts to the tub of the washer, you can remove the back panel by using a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Then, lift up on the panel to free it from the bottom retainers and slide it down to free it. With the back panel removed, align the bolt to the tub of the washer and secure it in place. Slot the second of the longer bolts into the second slot on the bottom of the washer and tighten into place. Then, using the shorter shipping bolts, align them to the top retainers on the back of the washer and screw them into place, securing the tub. With the shipping bolts installed, you can now see that the tub of the washer is secured in place. If you need to purchase a new set of shipping bolts for your LG washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. And once you're done moving the washer back in place, don't forget to remove all of the shipping bolts before turning the washer back on. And that's it for today's video. Have a nice day.